Hi guys, I've already done 3 videos on this guy and I'm just watching the video back as I'm editing it, and I'm wondering if I turned the motor upside down when I replaced it right back in the first video, because I'm watching him walking and he seems to be leaning back a bit, and I'm just wondering, I think I've said that 3 times now, wondering if it's possible that I've got the motor upside down and the cams maybe further backwards than they would be if I turn the motor the other way up. So I'm going to take it apart again. You don't need to watch me take it apart again. I'm going to take it apart again, turn the motor over, if it will turn over. Motor and gearbox we're talking about, and see if that makes a difference. Right, he's stripped down again. I'm just going to take one leg off. That should give me enough clearance to lift it out, disconnect it, turn it over the other way. I don't think there's any difference. It doesn't look like it to me, but I just thought I would try it, just in case there is a difference. Well, I've just measured it with my micrometer. There's a tiny difference, but that could just be my my alignment, trying to squeeze the micrometer in down onto the shaft, because it's only sort of 0.1 or something, so I don't think there's a difference. But I will turn it over anyway, just to see if it does make a difference. Right, I've turned it over, and I can now see that it's a sort of a light grey colour cam on that side that matches the lever that goes into the leg, and on this side it's a black cam that matches the black lever. So it does look like I'd swapped it over, and while I did it I knocked the wire off the motor, so I had to resolder that, but that's just one of those things that always happens when you're working. So I've put it back the right way. Whether it makes any difference the way it stands, I don't know. We'll find out when he's all back together. Right, all back together for the 4th or 5th time. Still going to fall over. Let's tip his arms forward. Well, I was going to say he wasn't turning right anymore, but he is. Yeah, I don't think we've cured anything there. Yeah, he needs his arms forwards to balance him. And he is still turning right, and he still tips over. Yeah, so we didn't cure anything there, but looking at the colours of those cams, it does look like I had actually reversed the motor, or turned the motor over, to be more exact. But it doesn't look like it made any difference whatsoever. It does seem to be going a bit straighter. This time. But I vaguely remember something about balancing the arms to make him turn. You know, put something in his left arm and he'll turn left. Well, I just tried that theory. I put a weight in his left hand, and all that did was made it drop down. He's still going right. Yeah, that's not doing it. It was worth a try. Right, I've got him carrying a pen now, as you can see. He seems a bit happier because he's balanced. Got a bit of weight at the front. And if anything, he's possibly going a bit left. Yeah, he's now definitely going left. So it is something to do with the balance as to which way he tends to turn. Yeah, that'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.